It's a perfect season to be outside, and you're gonna wanna be on this deck every chance you can. I'm at 8882 McCoy in WaterCrest Landing in Lenexa. This reverse story and a half with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, and a walkout basement is ready to go. It's barely been lived in, and it's priced to sell. This is the true beauty of a reverse story and a half. High ceilings, built-ins, open floor plan, enormous kitchen island. We've got stacked stone fireplace, built-in shelving, enormous pantry. And notice the built-in kegerator. I don't know the last time you saw a built-in kegerator. I haven't sold one lately, but I'm gonna sell one now. This is the true beauty of a walkout basement. You've got a deck above and a second living space, covered patio below. And you walk right through the door to a second living space. This is why everyone loves a walkout basement.